bachelor programs of elementary school teacher education at the University of Ubudiyah Indonesia is here to prepare future teachers who are creative, have Islamic ethics, and are able to build meaningful learning for students. We are committed to producing innovative, humanistic, and professional elementary school teachers.
Our facilities fully support the learning process, starting from representative classroom, micro-teaching rooms, and the availability of conventional and technology-based learning media.
In the bachelor program of elementary school teacher education at University of Ubudiyah Indonesia, we learn to develop creative, innovative, and enjoyable learning that aligns with the characteristics of elementary school students.
Graduates of the elementary school teacher education study program at University of Ubudiyah Indonesia are prepared to become professional, creative, and competitive teachers who are able to manage inclusive classroom and technology-based learning.
Elementary school teacher education at the University of Ubudiyah Indonesia, the birthplace of the great teachers who enlighten the future of the nation.